Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time with stuff you don't care about or just fluff to make this 15 minutes long, I'm going to straight up tell you which VPNs are the best for bypassing a VAC IP ban right now. Plus, a few key things about each one so you can pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my full research doc for free and read it all year long. No joke. Alright, let's get into it. Here are the top 3 VPN services to get around a VAC IP ban and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN to bypass a VAC IP ban. Why? Well, first off, it actually works with games using the Valve anti-cheat system. Super important, right? Speed-wise, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low ping, no connectivity hiccups, 0 packet loss, great download and upload speeds. Features, it's got the most out of any VPN. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Perfect for staying safe and avoiding detection. Pricing and support, cheap for what you get, and support is top-notch. Logs? Nope, no logs at all. A must-have when you're dodging bans tied to IP tracking. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech out there, keeping your connection private and secure while you game. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and pretty affordable for what it offers. Any downsides? Yeah, a 10-device limit. Second best for beating a VAC IP ban is IPVanish. Why? It's a no-nonsense, high-performance VPN built for speed. Speed, incredibly fast, with consistently low ping. No lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth gaming even with the VPN on. Features, covers all the essentials. A reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is awesome if you only want to route your banned game through the VPN or vice versa. Pricing and support, one of the best bargains out there. Often cheaper than competitors, but with top-tier performance. Support's fast and helpful too. Logs? No logs, and they've been independently audited. That's crucial to keep your IP hidden and avoid getting banned again. Encryption? They use AES 256, the top encryption standard, keeping you hidden from anti-cheat systems. Negatives? It's US-based, hello Five Eyes, which bugs privacy fans, but their no-log audit checks out. Also, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure set-and-forget-it VPN, perfect for smooth gaming and dodging VAC IP bans. Third on the list is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? It's got a huge server network and the most customization here, making it easier to find fresh IPs and stay ahead of bans. Speed? Very good. Tons of servers means you can always find a fast, uncrowded one nearby, keeping ping low during gameplay. Features? Packed with goodies. Kill switch, a solid ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here, so you can tweak it to optimize VAC ban avoidance. Pricing and support? Usually the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is solid and professional. Logs? No logs. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court, so your privacy and IP secrecy are rock solid. Encryption? Top-notch encryption tech, plus you can tweak it to fit your gaming needs. Negatives? Like IPVanish? It's US-based, and the app isn't as slick as the others. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best pick if you're on a budget but want to dodge VAC IP bans with a massive server network and advanced features. And that's it. My top 3 picks for bypassing VAC IP bans: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't really go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one just because you like the logo or the colors, you'll be fine. They all literally work perfectly for avoiding VAC IP bans. Quick recap before you go. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for bypassing VAC IP bans. A premium experience with tons of features and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that gives insane value for your money. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a VPN to bypass VAC IP bans, with a massive server network and lots of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I put exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below so you can get the best price out there. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and drop a comment telling me which you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.